Welcome, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. I am here with another videos for you guys. You are going to love all these products. Links are given in the description box. Please click on the links to buy these amazing products. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Wow, these products are amazing. These can make your home beautiful and your life easy. Isn't amazing? If you want to buy these, just buy from the links. I love catching fish, and with this net no fish can go back to home, hehehe. Washing dishes no problem with this brush, your hands won't get dirty. Dust, where are you? I can find you with this rolling duster. Get this pedicure cup for a relaxing day. All your problem flew in a sick boom. This is so amazing. I feel so much relaxed. These mats are easy to use and you can easily wash them. No worries about home getting dirty. Just buy this mat and make your home look elegant. Wow, a rice storage box. With this box, you can store your rice and enjoy Bravo. All these amazing products are easy too, but with these one click. You can cook so many things in no time with this steamer. Looks yummy. is portable mini washing machine, which is very easy to use and it's portable. It's so good for traveling also. I love doing makeup and hope you like it too. All these home gadgets are for you to buy and make your life easy. Mapong isn't difficult task for ladies with these products. Wow! Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.